Hi viewers, today I am not here with a recipe video. I am going to share with you some useful kitchen tips which will be really helpful for your day-to-day life. So let's begin. Tip number 1. How to reduce salt from curry. If curry is too salty, do one thing. Take 2 balls of chapathi dough, drop it in the curry. Allow this to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out. Chapati dough balls will absorb excess salt. Instead of wheat flour dough, we can use sliced raw potatoes and follow the same procedure. Next one, how to sharpen kitchen scissors. To sharpen kitchen scissors, take an aluminium foil, fold it, cut through it several times. Finally, this will get sharpened well. Next one, how to store curry leaves in refrigerator. Here I have some fresh curry leaves. Separating leaves and storing it in an airtight container. This will remain fresh for 2 weeks inside the refrigerator. How to store coriander leaves. Cutting the roots of the coriander leaves. To wrap it properly, I am giving it one more cut. Wrap it well using a kitchen tissue paper. You can even use newspaper for wrapping this. Place it inside the zipper lock bag and refrigerate. Next one, how to store mint leaves. Separating mint leaves from the stem. Wrap it in a kitchen tissue paper. Store it in a zipper lock bag inside the refrigerator. This will remain fresh for 2 weeks. Inside the refrigerator, curry leaves, mint and coriander leaves. If you forgot to soak chickpeas overnight, don't worry. Soak it in boiling water for 1 hour and pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. This will get cooked well. You can follow the same procedure while cooking rajma, black chana and all. To store ginger garlic paste, I have taken 1 cup of ginger and 1 cup of garlic. Grind this and make a thick paste without adding water. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Here I have taken an ice tray, filling all these ginger garlic paste in this. Freeze it for 3 to 4 hours. These are ready. I demolded it. Store it in a zipper bag. You can use this up to 1 month. So while cooking, you can take required number of cubes from the refrigerator, wait for defreezing and add in the curry. To store green chilies, removing the stem part of the green chilies and transferring this into a glass container. This will remain fresh up to 1 month inside the refrigerator. Inside the glass container, I kept 1 tissue paper. Dropping all green chilies. You can even store this in a Ziploc bag. To squeeze out more lemon juice, dip it in a warm water for 2 to 3 minutes. Cut the lemon and squeeze it. How to store leftover chapati dough? Wrap it in a butter paper, store it in an airtight container. This will remain fresh for 2 to 3 days inside the refrigerator. How to deseed pomegranate? Cutting this into two, take one portion, tap it well using a spoon. This will get easily deseeded. Deseeding the other slice. This way we can easily deseed pomegranate. Next one, how to clean wooden cutting board. Sprinkle some salt on the cutting board. Take a slice of lemon and rub it well. Wash it and pat it dry using a towel. And keep this in a dry place. Hope you liked today's kitchen tips. See you soon. Until then, bye bye.